Beautiful trees scatter about on this property. Off-water lot of 0.71 acre. This is a wonderful place to build your dream home, and walking distance to the exclusive amenities for property owners. This includes the community pool for those hot summer days, the pavilion for family get-togethers, boat ramp, so you no longer have to travel miles away for your boating needs, and of course a pier for fishing and relaxing all day. Restricted to site-built homes with a minimum of 1,800 square feet living space. Francisco Bay is a peaceful and gated community on the north side of Richland Chambers Lake. Come take a look today and start relaxing tomorrow. For more information or to view this property, call the Teel team at 903 874 0001. That's 903 874 0001.